Hey guys, what's up? It's Matthew here, and welcome back to episode 8 of our Minecraft Catch Game series. Today we're going to be adding the score to our heads-up display, which will increment by 1 every time we hit an emerald. So guys, without further ado, let's hop in Godot and get started. First thing we need to add is a canvas layer. We do that by going to the top, we press level 1, press the add button, and then we search for a canvas layer. And we press enter to add it. Then we're going to rename this to HUD, H-U-D. Then what we're going to do is we're going to add a label beneath our HUD. So we're going to make sure HUD is selected, and then press add, and we're going to search up label. And we're then going to rename this label to score. So this is the label where our score is going to appear on. What we can do first is we can grab our label and bring it to the middle of the screen. We want to position it so it fits right where we want it on our screen. So this is my game screen, and I want it to fit maybe right around here. Then once you've positioned it where you want it, you're going to go to the top right where it says text, and we're going to write score kind of like this. So I'm going to write score and then a colon. And as you can see in my text box, you can see that that text has appeared. So when I program my game, the number, which is my score, will appear right after this text right here. Obviously the size of our text is way too small, so let's fix that first. The way we do that is we go down to where it says custom fonts, we click the drop menu, and then where it says empty, we're going to click that and press new dynamic font. Then we're going to go to settings, font, and then where it says font data, we're going to click empty. Then we're going to click load, and then we're going to find where we saved our font. So my font is saved inside our assets folder. This is my font right here, and then I just have to double click it, and as you can see, my font has changed. So to change the size, all we have to do is increase this number where it says size right here, and you can see my font is getting bigger and bigger and bigger. I kind of want it to be maybe this big. To change the color, we're not going to change this. What we're going to do is we're going to go out of settings. We're going to go to where it says custom colors, and then where it says font color, we can check that and then change the color to whatever we want. So I'm going to make mine green. All right, now we've done that. Let's get a number on the side of our score that will tick up every time we hit the emerald. The first thing we're going to do is we're going to go to our villager script. So I'm going to press my villager script right here. We're going to go to the top of our script and make a new variable called score. And we're going to set this equal to 0. Now, every time we collide with an emerald, we want to increase the score variable by 1. This is the code that asks the computer if I've collided with anything. So all we have to say now is if I've collided with something, increase the score by 1. And we can write that by writing score plus equals 1. Now the score is increasing by 1 every time we hit an emerald. We also need to update our score label inside our HUD. The way we do that is underneath where we've wrote score plus equals 1, we're going to write $, quotations, .. We're going to access our HUD. Then we're going to access our score. And then we're going to change the text of the score to equal str. And then this is important, we're going to write what we wrote inside that text box. I wrote score just like this. And then we're going to put a comma next to this and write our score variable. And now you can see when I play my game and I collide with an emerald, you see my score increase. And there you have it. That's how we get the score increasing every time we collide with an emerald. Thanks so much for watching, guys. If you liked the video, give it a like and subscribe to watch more amazing Byte Camp content. Join us next time where we work on character animations. See you guys!